How to set up or enable two-step verification on Instagram. First of all, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Account Center. Scroll down and Password and Security. Now tap Two Factor Authentication and select your Instagram account. Now it may ask a code. If not, that's great. But if asks, check the SMS or WhatsApp or email, then copy and paste the code here. Now choose your preferred security method. Let's choose the Authenticator app option. This is more secure. First of all, open your chosen app. If you have no app downloaded yet, such as Google Authenticator, go to your Google Play Store, search for Google Authenticator and download it. I already have this app installed on my phone. Open the app, tap Get Started and log in with a Google account. Get back to Instagram again and again Settings and Privacy, Account Center, Password and Security, then Two-factor authentication and select your Instagram account and Authenticator app option. Now copy the code and go to the newly installed app. Then tap on Add a code. Then enter a setup key. Write Instagram in code name box and paste the generated code into your key box and tap on Add to complete the setup. Once setup is complete, Instagram will require both your password and our time-sensitive verification code to log in on a new device. If not, great. But if it, then do the same thing. This prevents unauthorized access even if someone has your password. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please subscribe this channel.